Hello everyone, I am Gulshan Bhatia, Faculty of Mathematics. Today I am here to discuss mental ability, NTSE Stage 2 mental ability paper. Then start with the question number 1. This is the number series, we have to identify the wrong term. Now the first term 3, the first term 3 can be written as 3 is written as 2 square minus 1. Second term 15 can be written as 2 ki power 4 minus 1. 63 can be written as 2 ki power 6 minus 1. 129 is wrongly written. We have to say that 127 is equal to 2 ki power 8 minus 1. Therefore, the correct answer is 127. 129 is the wrong term. So, option number 3 is the answer. This is the question of sitting arrangement. There are 8 persons sitting in a row. We have to read the information and answer the question. Now, Amber is between Mr. Hudson and Vishal. Amber should be between Vishal and Hudson, but just opposite to John. Rajesh is at one end of a line. And is just next to right of the John. Or Rajesh is just after John. Mahima, who is sitting at one end of a row, is just diagonally opposite to Hudson. Now, Vishal is just next to Amber. This is correct. Azhar is just near to Vishal. Azhar can be either at this position or this position. So, this cannot be correct. Mahima is either next or opposite to Sunita. Mahima is either next or opposite to Sunita. Mahima should be either next or opposite. If Mahima sits there, then it is next opposite. This is opposite or next to Sunita. Sunita is diagonally opposite to Rajesh. Sunita cannot be diagonally opposite to Rajesh. Therefore, we can say that definitely 1 and 3rd are correct. So, option number 1 is correct. Next question, in the administrative structure of an academic institution, the highest body is the executive council. The highest body is EC. There are academic APC, FC and the planning division who have to report to EC. The vice chancellor chairs the APC. Vice chancellor chairs APC while the chancellor chairs EC. Now, the school of studies and come under the jurisdiction of school and studies come under the jurisdiction of APC. In this department comes under APC. Now, the faculty members of the School of Commerce report to. Now, this department comes under APC and APC has to report to, then these department have to report under the APC. Therefore, option first is the answer. According to this, we have which of the following statement is correct in the respect of hierarchy? APC, PD and FC, they are comes under the same hierarchy as they have to report to EC. So, therefore, option number 2 is correct. Now, the next question is of Venn diagram. We have to study the statement some donuts are dumb, some donuts are dumb, some dumbs are sweets, some dumbs are sweet, all sweets are tall, therefore, the sweets are in the circle tall. No tall is donut, and all donuts are sugar, After making the Venn diagram, this is the correct combination satisfying all the statement. Now, we have to say that some sweets are sugar, this is not possible. We have to find which of the among the following is definitely a false statement. In this, some sweets are not sugar, Some dumps are tall, some dumps are tall, as we can see that some dumps are tall. Some sugar are not dumb, some sugar are not dumb. In this section, some sugar are not dumb. Some talls are dumb, some talls are dumb also. Therefore, option number 1 is definitely not correct as per the required diagram. Now next question. Build is related to this such that the letters having the reflexive symmetry with respect to mirror placed on the right side have same position. Which of the following bears the same relation? Build is related to CAWRQ. Then we have to say that which of they have the same mirror placed at the right side at the same position. We are see that the U and I, जो अल्फ़ाबेट U and I है वो मिरर इमेज की बात करें तो सिमेट्रिक है. इन दोनों लेटर्स के बारे में अपने को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, उनकी मिरर इमेज मिरर में सेम आएगी. तो यहाँ पे अगर जिस लास्ट वाले ऑप्शन की बात करें, लाफ एंड LAUGH GHTZL, A and U has same mirror image with respect to mirror. Therefore A and U का जो अल्फ़ाबेट है वो किस में चेंज नहीं हो रहा, A and U, H and T मिरर इमेज चेंज नहीं हो रही है, इसलिए ऑप्शन नंबर 4. Now next question. An old couple with a memory issue had forgotten the anniversary, were trying to recollect the date. The lady clearly remembers that they got married in the month of February of the year 1955. The man clearly remembers that he celebrated his 21st birthday with same year and it was Thursday, the 3rd of February. Man 3rd February 1955 as a बैचलर सेलिब्रेट करना है उसको 3rd फरवरी को, और लेडी इनको रिमेंबर कराए एंड लेडी रिमेंबर्स दैट ही डेफिनेटली गॉट मैरिड बिफोर 13th of फरवरी. तो जो एनिवर्सरी है 3 and 13/5 के बीच में होगा, 3 and 13/5 के बीच. द मैन नोज दैट इट हैज़ टू बी वीकेंड. अब 3 and 13 के बीच में कौन कौन से डेज आ रहे हैं, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The man knows that it has to be weekend. It has to be weekend. 3rd should be of Thursday. 3rd has Thursday. Then 4th will be Friday. 5th will be Saturday and 6th will be Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So marriage should be at which date? 5, 6 and 12. It should be weekend. 5, 6 and 12 are weekend, and the ma'am remembers that it was Sunday, then only 6th will be fall on Sunday. Therefore option will be 6th of February. Now the next question is of blood relation. We are given some symbols here, we have to relate. Then how is V is related to P? Now P into Z. P into Z means P is the brother of B. P is brother of Z. Therefore P is positive. Now Z divides D. Z, this means A is the son of B. Z is the son of D. Z is son of D. Now D minus V means D is the wife of V. D is the wife of V. D is negative. Now we have to relate V related to P. V is related to P. These P into Z. P is the brother. This is the brother. P is brother of Z. Now we have to relate P and V. So P and V are the relation father. V is the father of P because P and Z are brother. Now the next question is M divide C. The diagram for this is C minus M P L. M divide C, the relation is of son. C M is the son of C according to the previous question. C is the mother and P is the wife of L. Now we have to relate M and L. Then M related to M as brother-in-law. Next question is question number 10. Which of the following does not belong to the group? As we have seen that spectacles, earring, bicycle, shoes and bangles, all the objects wear on the body. Bicycle is the only object which is not wear on the body, therefore bicycle is the correct answer. The next question, as we have given that there is a 3-digit code to an open lock. There are 4 3-digit numbers and hints have been provided corresponding to these numbers. To crack the code, mark. Now we have to study the values. 8 to 1, one digit is correct but wrongly placed. In this 8 to 1, one digit is correct and it is wrongly placed. In 379, none of the digits are correct. मतलब 3, 7 और 9 कोई सा भी डिजिट करेक्ट नहीं है. 486, 2 digits are correct but wrongly placed. In 486, 2 digits are correct. It can be 4 or 8, it can be 8 or 6, it can be 4 or 6. 48, 86 or 46 are correct but wrongly placed. In 538, 2 digits are correct and rightly placed. 2 digits are correct and rightly placed. As we see that from 379, none of the digit is correct. Therefore, 3 is not correct. 5 and 8 are at their correct position. 5 and 8 are at correct position. 2 digits are correct and rightly placed. 5 and 8 are correctly placed. Now, we have left with 2 digits 6 and 8. Then the middle digit can be 6 or the middle digit can be 4. Now only one option is there, 548, therefore this is the correct answer. Now the next question is of direction sense test. Rohan moves 1 kilometer to east, 1 kilometer east, and then turns to south and moves 5 kilometer, then turns to south and moves 5 kilometer. Again he turns to east and walks 2 kilometer, again turns to east and walks 2 kilometer. After this he turns to north and moves 9 kilometer. He moves 9 kilometer upwards. What is the distance from his starting point to the present point? This is the starting point and this is the present point. We have to find this distance. Because this is 2 kilometer, therefore it is also 2 kilometer. This is total is 9. This is 5 kilometer and the remaining is 4 kilometer. Now we have to point mark A, B and C. In triangle ABR, we have to use Pythagoras. This is 3, 4, therefore this is 5. The correct answer should be 5 kilometer. Now the question is, in the following question, the question is followed by two statement 1 and 2. You have to determine whether only statement 1 is sufficient to answer the question, only statement 2 is sufficient to answer. Both 1 and 2 are needed to answer, neither 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. We have to determine what is the date of today. Statement, we are in the second week of March. In the second week of March, the dates can be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The date today is an odd number. The odd number can be 9, 11. Therefore, both the statement are not sufficient to answer what is the date today. Therefore, neither statement 1 nor 2 is sufficient to answer the question. What is the 2-digit number? Both the digits of the 2-digit number are even and the sum of the digits is 12. The sum of the digits 12 can be 8 and 4, 4 and 8, 6 and 6. These digits have sum 12. Now second statement, the 2 digit of the 2-digit number are not same. Though both the numbers are not same, therefore we can reject 66. Now we have two options, 84 and 48. We are not able to conclude that what is the 2-digit number, therefore neither statement 1 nor 2 is sufficient to answer the question. Now the next question is, who is the tallest among the 4 friends? These 4 friends are given. Now first statement is, Ashvi is not the tallest but taller than Vihana and Kimaya. Ashvi is not the tallest but taller than Vihana and Kimaya. Ashvi is tallest from both of these but is not the tallest. From this statement, can we conclude that Ashvi, who is the tallest among them? Ashvi is taller than both of them. So only Pari will remain, and Pari will be taller than Ashvi because Ashvi is not the tallest. Therefore, only statement 1 is sufficient to answer the question. We have decided that Pari is the tallest among all the 4. Second statement, Vihana is the shortest among all the friends. We have to, Vihana is the shortest, but we have already concluded that Pari is the tallest. Therefore, only statement 1 is sufficient to answer the question. Now next question. In the word pacemaking, if the first letter is interchanged with the second letter, the third letter is interchanged with the fourth letter, and so on, and the line letter is interchanged, which is the 10th letter with the 10th letter? What would be the 7th letter from the right after such arrangement? Pacemaking is the word. In this, first letter is interchanged with second, third with fourth. Now we have to find what would be the 7th letter from the right after such arrangement. तो सबसे पहले अपन यहाँ से 7th लेटर चेक कर लेते, उसी के बारे में चेक करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is the 7th letter. So we have to interchange C and E. P and A will be interchanged as A and P. C and E will be interchanged at E and C. We have to find which is the letter from this. In place of E, there would be C. Therefore, the answer will be second. Next is the question of the number series. We have to find the number in that place. Now, Z, X and W, V, T and S, R, P, O, N, L, K. Now, the Z is 26 alphabet, the position of E is 22, the position of R is 18, position of N is 14. Now, in this, the series is -4, -4, -4. 14 minus 4 is 10, and 10, the letter corresponding to 10 is J. Now again, X corresponds to 20, X corresponds to 24, T corresponds to 20, P corresponds to 16, L corresponds to 12. In this, -4 is the same pattern, -4, -4, -4. 12 minus 4 is 8, and corresponding to 8 we have H. After solving this, we get answer number 3. Now the next question says that a museum has an average of 520 visitors on Sunday and an average of 100 visitors on other days. What is the average number of visitors per day in a month of 30 days beginning with a Sunday? Now there are 5 Sundays, and other day 25 days are normal days other than Sunday. Therefore, we have to find the average number of visitors. On Sunday there are 520 visitors, there are 5 Sundays, therefore 5 into 520 plus remaining days 25 into 100 visitors on other days, 25 into 100. We have to take average, therefore divide by 30. After solving this equation, we get answer number 2. Next question is of direction tense test. We have to say that Rishi drive from his house 10 km north. Then he decide to pick his friend. He turns a left turn and drives 2 km. drives 2 kilometer. On picking up his friend, he has to take right turn and drive 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer. Finally, he takes another right and drives 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. Now, how many kilometers Rishi would have required to drive had he drove straight from his house to the party? He has to drive 15 kilometer, as this is 10, this is 5. Therefore, answer is 15. Next question is of sitting arrangement. In a queue, Mr. X is 14 from start. Mr. X is 14 from start. This is 14th position. And Mr. Y is 17 from end. Mr. Y is 17th. While Mr. Z is exactly in the middle of Mr. X and Y, X is ahead of Mr. Y. X is ahead of Mr. Y and Z is exactly at the middle. Z is exactly at the middle of X and Y. How many persons are there between X and Z? There are 48 persons in the queue. Now Z in the middle, therefore it has, let's suppose there are A persons ahead of Z and A persons are there. Now total there are 48 persons in the queue, therefore 14 position of X plus A members are here, A members are here, A plus A 17 plus 17 and plus 1 is the position of the person Z. The total of all these should be equal to 48, as there are 48 persons in the queue. Therefore, after solving this, 2A plus 32 is equal to 48, 2A is equal to 16, A should be 8. 8 persons are there between X and Z and Z and Y. Therefore, answer should be third. Now, the next number is of number series. We have to find the next number 65, 585, 7605, 129285. The number is multiplied by 1, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 13, multiplied by 17 and multiplied by 21. Therefore, option number 4th. Again, the next question is of number series. We have to find the missing number. Now, there is a relation between the numbers. We can write 55 can be written as 4 into 11 plus 11 into 1 square. 576 can be written as 55 into 9 plus 9 into 3 square. Next number should be 4207. This can be obtained by 576 into 7 plus 7 into 5 square, 21280. 21280 can be written as 4207 into 5 plus 5 into 7 square. The number is used to obtain the next number 4 into 11, 4975. This is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. 11975. The series is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So, therefore, option number 2nd is the correct. Now, the next question, complete the series. Z is 2197, R is 729, P is 512. What is the code for J? Now, Z is 26. If we divide 26 by 2, we get 13. 2197 is 13 cube. In R, R is 18. 18 by 2 is 9 and 9 cube is 729. Therefore, for Z, Z has number 10. 10 by 2 we get 5 and 5 cube is 125. Therefore, option 2nd is correct. Now, the next question is, Sunil is the son of Anil. Sunil is the son of Anil. Shweta is Anil's sister. Shweta is Anil's sister and has son. Shweta has son Maruti, Maruti and daughter Sita. Has daughter and this is son. Prem is maternal uncle of Maruti. Prem is maternal uncle of Maruti. P is positive, this is positive. Maternal uncle. How is Sunil related to Maruti? Sunil is related to Maruti. From this diagram, we relate Sunil to Maruti as a cousin. As this is P is the maternal uncle, therefore option 1 is correct. In the next question, it is given in the given figure, the triangle represent the girls, triangle represent girls, the square represent sports persons and the circle represent coaches, and the circle represent coaches. The portion in the figure which represent girls, girls are sports persons but not coaches. Girls are sports persons but not coaches. Girls are this triangle and the coaches has circle. We have to find the intersection of sports persons and girls but not coaches. Therefore, in this diagram B is the value which have girls and the sports person but not coaches. Therefore, option number 2 is correct.